What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your storage on your PlayStation 5. The Sony PlayStation 5 comes with 825 gig internal storage, but only 665 GB is usable. So and you can just run out storage pretty quickly, since the average PS5 game is over 50 gig. I have with me the WD Black NVMe SSD drive, 1 terabyte, which I'm going to show you how you can upgrade it on your PlayStation 5. Please make sure you check the specific PlayStation 5 requirements before you go ahead and buy an SSD drive to upgrade your PS5. So but before doing anything, I just need to remove the stand at the bottom. Okay, once the stand is off. Okay, next you need to open up the PlayStation. So just locate the PlayStation logo where it is, and make sure this side is at the bottom. Just need to lift up a little bit on this side opposite the PlayStation logo, and then slide down. Lift a little bit on this side and then slide down, and then the top cover will just come off. Once you have the PlayStation open, this is a slot where we're gonna put the extended storage, and then we have the fan. So all you need is just a star screwdriver to take this off. And this is just a lift up and out. So here's where we're gonna put the extended storage. Here's our NVMe SSD. Just gonna open it up. So we have our SSD here. This is the 1 terabyte SSD, and we have our heatsink here with the holder. So I'm just gonna use this to mount our SSD. Okay, now that we have everything set, they send you a small screwdriver as well to use. We're gonna apply the pad to the SSD. So this protective pad, you're just gonna put this one first. Let's peel off the and then that goes at the bottom there. So next we're gonna peel off the tape on this thermal pad, and this one go on the chip side of the SSD. Okay, now that we have our SSD prepped and ready there, so the next thing we're just gonna apply the heatsink. So you have a little gap there for where the screw is gonna go, and then insert the thermal. So and now you apply the 6 screwdriver they send you with it. So we have the heatsink applied, and everything is ready to go. Next is just to take off. There is a small screw in there which holds it. This one can be moved, depends what SSD you have. You can just move it across. So I'm just gonna unscrew this, take off this little screw on there. Okay, let's take this screw off. And I'm gonna move this little ring across. So this is a little holder into there. That's where my SSD will be up to. Yeah, once it's slot in, Then I push it down, and then now we just need to put this screw back on. So let's screw this back on. Your heatsink and SSD card is securely installed. What you do next, I just need to put this cover back on. And then screw it back on. That's securely installed. So now we can just put the cover back. And that's it, that's securely locked. And now let's plug it in and see if the PlayStation software will detect the SSD. Okay, once you plug your PlayStation in, it will come straight to the screen, which means it has detected your SSD drive. So all you need to do, just scroll to the right and format the M.2 SSD and press the X button and to continue. The read speed is 6552.32 MB per second. So just press OK and then OK again. Okay, now it's on. Let's go to the settings and check the storage. And the storage, so the SSD, yeah, we have 1.1, and the internal, so we have both drive there now. So I'm just gonna move a game and see how long it's gonna take. Call of Duty Black Ops 3 is about 86 gig. So I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take to copy over to the M.2 SSD. So select move. I'm just gonna time it there to see how long it's going to take. There you go, so it took less than a minute, as you can see there, to move 86 gig to the M.2 SSD, which is quite impressive. So now I'm just gonna go back and load the game and see if it make any difference. Loading up. It took nearly the same time. There isn't much difference between loading up from the M.2 SSD and the internal drive, so both will be the same. Okay, that's it for me. That's how you can upgrade your SSD drive from your PlayStation 5. It's very straightforward. Feel free to let me know how you get on in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.